Today I share with you how to make donut recipe. This recipe is for you, especially if you are planning to set up snacks business next season. That is why you have to watch and share this video. To begin, the important thing you are going to be needing is cup, and that cup you are going to use it to measure your flour. So on this bowl I'm going to be measuring already filtered flour. That is 5 cups of flour I'm going to be using. So this is very, very important, especially if you are a business person. You have to first of all know the exact and accurate measurement of your flour that you are going to use for your business. Next I'm going to be adding a salt. The same time adding yeast. So you need yeast, guys. Next you are needing is sugar. Next I adding is dry milk. I don't know, it wasn't on record. So instead that, then adding egg. That is 1 egg. Now you are going to be adding fresh milk. So this is already warm milk. I make use of 2 cups. So if you don't have fresh milk, all you have to do is to use only dry milk. So what you have to do is to get that melt with warm water, then proceed like this. So I'm going to be mixing that. You don't have to add in any flour at this point. All you need is butter. So I add in the butter, I keep on mixing. Don't mind this fact that it's soft like this. You just have to keep on mixing until you have something like this. All you have to do is to cover that. I'm going to cover this to rest for 30 minutes because this have to double before I proceed. So just cover that. I add in this towel. 30 minutes later is what I have. It has doubled at this point. This is what it look like. So I have to bring out the nylon. So this is the batter at this point. So what I do now is to take that back inside the wall surface, then divide that and then cut that like this. So this is how I'm going to first of all cut everything, like arrange all of it like this. So after doing all of it, just use your hand to cut it like this. It's just so simple to get done like this. So next you are going to take one of it, add the flour in the wall surface, then take one of the batter and use your roller to roll it like this. This is the right time you have to share this video. All the due process you have to know on this recipe is what I'm showing you. So what you do now is to use your hand to get that food like this. First you got to tie that like this so that it will not open during the frying process. So after tying that, you have going to use your hand to roll it like this. It's just so simple. When you roll it to the end like this, you are going to use melted butter. So use that butter to hold that place so that it's not going to open from there. Just so simple like this. And this is how I do the rest of it. Then I cover that again for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes of covering. This is what I have. At this point it has doubled and it's ready to fry. Frying this, you are going to be need oil, and that oil is not going to hot that much. Just be adding that. So I fried that about 3 to 4 occasions. So I will be adding the first batch inside the oil. Then what I do next is to bring out this paper. So don't forget to use paper to first of all get that safe before you proceed, because this is going to allow you to just add it inside the oil and it's not going to disturb you. So what you do now is to be turning the other side like this. At this point the other side has fried. Then yeah, so I just turn it and now it's fried and ready. Look at that. This donut is everything. So this is just one of it. I bring the other from the oil. The donut fries so nice and it was so crunchy. That is just so nice. When you eat this one of this, like when you eat one of these donuts, you are going to focus on your day. This is just so much water. If your customer comes to your shop, you buy one of this from your shop, trust me, is going to enjoy every bit of it. So now I'm going to be adding the next batch. So what I do now is to add in the same 4 equal side, like 4 of it. So after frying that, then I have to turn the other side. So what you do next is to add in some sugar if you care for. So this is optional, but I still have to show you this. So now this one has fried and now it's ready like this. So you just have to add in some sugar on top of it. So donuts just need to sweet. So yeah, so what you need next is to enjoy your donut. So guys, have you shared this recipe? Look at that. Just look at this, guys. So when you follow this process to get this done, this is going to serve you as a business. Like if you are making snacks business, you have to add this in one of your snacks business because it's going to help you a lot. Everyone like to eat donut, especially me. In those days when you go to market, the easiest thing you can easily get for yourself is just donut and Fanta. So when you get that and use it to focus on your day, you are going to enjoy everything you are doing in the market. So try this and add it inside your business and inside your food day. The same time, this is going to serve you in one of the snacks you are going to prepare for your family this Christmas season. I love you guys. All you have to do is to share. Bye.